Good morning. Good morning, my sleepy girl. Hello. Hi. Are we awake now? No? We're just struggling with this hiccup, huh? Oh, honey. I'm so sorry. No smiles for Mama. Oh. Oh my God. Hey. You want to give Mommy a smile? There. Oh, dear. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. It's a hard life, huh? It's a hard life you're living. You want more boob? You want to try more boob? Hi. You want to try more? Okay. Yeah. Did that help? Did it? No, not really. Oh my gosh, that's right. Stretch it out, girl. See, not today. Not today. Not today, huh? We're just not about it? We're not feeling today? Even though it's your birthday? You're 2 weeks, kiddo? Oh, we just want to get rid of that hiccup, though, huh? You must be so miserable. Your life must be so hard. Yeah. What do you think? What do we think? You don't know? I don't know either. Yeah? Yeah, I don't know. You're just gonna go to sleep? Problem solved, girl. That's right. Wanna try the boob? Ugh. Hi. Hi. Hi, mamas. Hi, baby girl. Hello. Hello. Oh my God. What happened? Don't pull on that. Do not let go. Let it go.